How to turn off active status on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off active status on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and here just click this one here, active status, and now just click on it if you want to turn it off, and then click turn off. And as you see, active status have been turned off, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.